like it early in the morning.
Hey everyone, I'm Rachel. Welcome back to my tiny basement soap shop. Today we're making one of my absolute favorite soaps, coffee soap, and it's also a bestseller. I keep selling out of it, so I'm making some more today, and I've been on the quest for the perfect coffee fragrance that also does not accelerate soap, since I've had issues with that in the past, and I think I might have found a winner. Cafe Latte by Brambleberry. It smells like my perfect cup of coffee with just a slight bit of cream. So with that inspiration, this is going to be a layered soap like I've done in the past, with a bottom layer having some brown mica and cocoa powder, then the middle layer having some copper mica, and then the top layer has some titanium dioxide. And then I'll be mixing in some coffee grounds with the bottom two layers, as well as some kaolin clay with everything. And then of course, for fun, gotta top it with some coffee beans. I also brewed some coffee and froze it into ice cubes, and I'll be using that as a replacement for the water in the lye solution. For added luxury, I like to add coffee butter, coffee oil, and cocoa butter. I'm soaping just over 100 degrees today, so let's get started.
I like it early in the morning. Bitch black and strong and piping hot. First light of day, it comes a-pouring. Just in time to wake me up. Good to the last drop is good for me. I like a cup of coffee. Yeah, I like a cup of coffee. Don't have to be the fancy kind. Convenience store will be just fine. When it's been sitting there a while, that's the kind that makes me smile. I bring my Titan's travel mug. It ain't gonna cost me no Starbucks. Just a good old cup of joe, and I'll be good to go. I like it early in the morning. Bitch black and strong and piping hot. First light of day, it comes a-pouring. Just in time to wake me up. Good to the last drop is good for me. I like a cup of coffee. Yeah, I like a cup of coffee. It's not like me to take it slow, so I'll take one more for the road. I'm liking what it does for me. I sure don't do no caffeine free. I like it early in the morning. Bitch black and strong and piping hot. First light of day, it comes a-pouring. Just in time to wake me up. Good to the last drop is good for me. I like a cup of coffee. Yeah, I like a cup of coffee. I've heard the doctor say, if you drink 7 cups a day, then you're addicted to the brew. I just can't stop, it must be true. I like it early in the morning. Bitch black and strong and piping hot. First light of day, it comes a-pouring. Just in time to wake me up. Good to the last drop is good for me. I like a cup of coffee. Yeah, I like a cup of coffee. I like a cup of coffee. Hey, I like a cup of coffee. Yeah. I like it early in the morning. Bitch black and strong and piping hot. First light of day, it comes a-pouring.
Finally put my finger on what kind of coffee smell I'm getting out of this. It's a darker roast smell with some caramel undertones. So that works perfectly for this copper mica layer that I have going on here. And now that I know this fragrance oil behaves really nicely, I'm gonna soap with a higher water discount next time, because we got some glycerin rivers on this, especially because of the titanium dioxide. So now that I know, definitely doing less. So I will put my original ratio, but I would say do less if you're gonna try this one. I'm just gonna keep smelling this all day. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one very soon.